成個 storm 入緊嚟，個 tour 裏邊可以話係危險同埋難度高嘅一個 leg 啦。
You sure we would end up in the water?
轉去邊度飛？
真係會死嘅喎！我哋啱啱嚟到 Goose Bay 啦，咁我哋聽日就會由 Goose Bay 飛過 Greenland，咁我哋今晚就早啲瞓，早啲休息，咁然後聽朝再開個會，睇下天氣如何。如果天氣好似而家咁嘅，同埋啲風唔係太大嘅，咁我哋就出發去 Greenland。
You gave the wrong one, didn't you?
My stuff I should carry to everyone.
Yes, no.
Thank you very much. Okay, 成程都係過海，咁如果飛有啲咩意外，我哋就冇地方可以降落，所以我哋要準備好多救生筏啦、糧食啦、dry suit 啦等等等等咯。睇下先，我哋好似咩咁先？呢個一睇就知唔係我噶啦，仲大添。咁我哋因為而家過海好凍啦。如果跌咗落去咧，其實得2分鐘咧，我哋啲內臟啊、心啊嗰啲血咧就會停㗎啦，停咗就喐唔到就咩嘅。咁呢件咧就希望可以着咗可以捱耐少少咯。發覺原來件防水衣咧係連埋嗰對襪嘅，咁我平時啲鞋着唔落啊，所以而家即刻諗住落今買對鞋。咁都要30幾蚊加幣一對，30蚊港幣啊！咪點翻左右腳先？
有兩條人。
係啊。我收上去個心，幾襯啦，有少少紅色。Yes. So that's the kit.
That's the survival kit.
4 people survival kit. That's where the food is.
Just make sure you get it outside your airplane.
Yeah. Easy 40 pounds.咁啊，又係嗰句啦，天氣不似預期，風太大，然後又上面太多冰啊，我哋今日飛唔到，我哋就滯留咗呢度。今日間酒店就滿咗，而家要轉酒店啊！而家我哋喺依度，我哋要去依一度，但係咧，你睇到依度個大風眼喺度，成個 storm 入緊嚟，然後會睇到成個依個 region 藍色呢啲都係嗰啲。I'd rather be here and then take a commercial back to somewhere else.
咁啊，我哋先一步過嚟等佢啦。哇，我做咗望夫石幾日噶啦，已經。盡快過嚟呢度啦，唔使我等咁多日。
下個禮拜1先好天。我而家諗緊我係咪應該飛翻去啲有人嘅地方？真係會死喎，係悶死啊！
好興奮啊，好開心啊，終於坐到 water taxi 啦！我哋而家喺 Luke 嗰度坐緊 water taxi。在大自然咧係好浩瀚啊！好大好靚，有好多節目等緊你啊
Hey Landon, hey, where are we going?
Tim Hortons. Woo!
然後之後我哋就要揸去機場嗰度再 extend 架車，我哋已經2日又2日啦。咁今日就係第5日。而家最大問題都係個風，因為好大風，有成30-40knots。咁我哋係唔夠油過去嘅。
一定有壓力嘅，即係過呢個大海。佢想同揾人傾偈嘅時候，佢就會打俾我咯。咁呢2日佢都有打俾我嘅。
而家仲諗緊其他 option， 諗緊我游唔游到嗰個 Atlantic 咯。有可能7日我都游到㗎啦，如果未浸死嘅話。好啦，咁又到另外一日啦。聽日咧天氣應該啲風就會慢落嚟，咁我哋有機會可以出發。聽日再見。 每年係 feel 到自己咧越嚟越容易受傷，越嚟越容易受傷。我跌斷咗一腳，我 send 俾我家姐睇，細佬你唔使㗎啦。
Cruise Tower, Cirrus 9994 Charlie Echo, holding short runway 33 ready for IFR departure.
This is a long runway, holy shit.
Airspeed, alive, positive rate, 90 knots, flaps up.
Cruise Control, Cirrus 9904 Charlie Echo, 600 climbing 11,000 on the turn get 1 departure.
Full caps is available,
Caps is available.
autopilot, GPS, and turquoise. Flight level change, set, GPS.
1,000.
Motor yaw is on, caps. Oxygen is not required, full power, mixture is good, fuel flow is good. Engine perimeter is green, or green.
今次係關於 aviation 啦，即係完全係唔同嘅，係另類一樣嘢啦。對佢同埋對我嚟講都係一個新嘅挑戰。
Quick refresher, if anything happens, pull the seat back, seatbelt undone, suits on first.
Yep.
And then the life jacket.
And just make sure for the survival kit, either one of them, make sure you just grab the right handle when you pull it forward, right? Because that handle that's sticking forward, that's the inflate handle.
有啲問題出現咗時候，佢未必咁好似以前咁快解決到，即係佢都會有一個拗頭嘅時間，唉點搞咧咁樣。
We don't have any way to get the weather other than asking them. Gosh, I really wish the Starlink was working.
I know. Sucks. Technology.
即係 in conclusion 啦，佢冇嘢喺佢心目中係困難嘅，所以最後我好相信佢一定會解決到。
Let's hope it stays like this, no ice, all the way.
This is gonna be really boring, Paul.
It'll be exciting. Cheers! Cheers! Can I put FX up here like Airstream?
What?
FX.
No. Thank you.
Airdrop or whatever it's called.
Sorry.
Airview. You sure?
Promise.
Damn, I'm gonna write no too serious.
We're super thankful that we've got such a good relationship with you, Paul. The Flight Academy is. Well, at least we hope the relationship's mutual.
Yeah.
November 994 Charlie Echo, no information, go ahead.
Would like to request to descend to 5,000.
Let's go and follow the river. Get down to like 1,500. Nice. Maybe 2,000. Oh my god, this is incredible. What's worse, going 170 into a mountain or going 90 into a mountain?
90.
Okay. Because 90 you have a chance of survival.
How do I join?
Right downwind.
Yeah, with mountain on my left.
And then just descend over into the valley and come in.
And I look super high.
Oh my gosh, you'll be fine. You're a little low than from
I
traffic
know.
pattern right now even.
But the thing is, do I go over top the mountain or
Yeah, like just yeah, start your right hand turn and then enter right
over
down.
top or?
What do you mean? This little bump right here?
Yeah.
Yeah, you overfly that.
You sure?
Paul, how else are you gonna enter right downwind for 2-4?
頭先係淨係剩翻兩個人做北邊關氣啊，跟住唔知佢呢做嘢我就。
隻面裏邊咧結晒冰之後咧，唔係變咗一個滑嘅 surface 咧，你成架機跌落嚟㗎啦。
打佢嗰個都係咁樣喐下喐下。哦，真係係咪隻機咁瞓得好？到咗去呢度應該會咩啊？即係連飛機個 WiFi 都唔係嘅。
咁其實成個 tour 裏邊，呢個係其中一個最可以話危險同埋難度高嘅一個 leg 咯。
最壞嘅打算啊！最壞嘅打算真係最壞嘅打算。
Holy shit.
真係有風咁埋。
You sure?
We would end up in the water.
好多高山，
No, too
I
close.
really, really don't want to do that.
睇唔到啊！頭先40幾嘅咯，而家變翻60咁啊！
What do you want? Caps.
Land, let's see land.
一定要小心啲，但係你已經喺我哋同阿 Elise 咧已經係 number one 㗎啦。
每次揸飛機最掛住係邊個咧？
咁其實日日都掛住屋企人㗎啦，成日都唔喺佢哋身邊，所以屋企人咧最主要係